Attention! Standards! Attention! Let's begin.
Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free, where the world has not lost its way. Where style is striving, stretches its arms towards perfection. Into the daily deserts, stand up, dead habits. Where the mind is set forward, by teen, into ever widening, by teen, thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my father, led my country away.
Standards! Attention! Standards! Attention! Let's begin.
वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरं शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदा वरदा मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
Standards! Attention! Standards! Attention! Let's begin.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers and the elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, along life, my happiness.
Standards!
Yes, news by Sravya of 8th class.
Good morning everyone. Here are today's top headlines for our school assembly on July 29, 2025. National and international highlights. India successfully neutralized the alleged masterminds of the Pahalgam terror attack along with two others in Operation Mahadev near Sir Singh. Definite Mr. Ranjit Singh reaffirmed that Operation Sindhu would resume if needed, clarifying there is no foreign pressure involved. 5 Indian students are among the top 50 finalists for the Global Student Prize 2025. Political and social justice side. The Telangana cabinet headed by Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy has formally decided to request the President's assent for the 42% BC reservation bills. A delegation state leaders is scheduled to visit Delhi on August 5 to 7 to press for approvals. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi praised the caste survival initiative, calling it his blueprint for social justice at 2.0 and commended CM Revanth Reddy for steering the data-driven process. He also resumed support from the central party leadership. Sports highlights. Divya Deshmukh made history by winning the 2025 Women's Chess World Cup, defeating Koneru Hampi in the to become the first Indian champion and India's fourth female grandmaster. India is strengthening its preparations for hosting the 2036 Olympic Games with a new policy targeting anti-doping and cohesing among Olympic stakeholders. Thank you.
As there are unit tests or formative assessments, the teacher should give the syllabus and prepare the children also for formative assessment syllabus. So see what are there after the lesson, what exercises are there after the lesson. Every teacher should be thorough with all those exercises. I'll call you to office room and I'll ask you how you have made the children to prepare from textual exercises, worksheets also. For all the race books, English teachers, maths teachers, science teachers, and social teachers, you have exercises behind every lesson. So you should go through those lessons and you must prepare the children according to those exercises. And other teachers also, మిగతా టీచర్లు కూడా మీరు చూసుకోవాలి పిల్లలకి ఏమేమి నోట్స్ రాయించాలి నేర్పించాలి అనేటటువంటిది. సో వాళ్ళని కూడా మీరు ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. ఎఫ్ఏకి సంబంధించినటువంటివన్నీ కూడా పిల్లలకి ముందే నేర్పించి వాళ్ళని ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. సో టుడే యూ గివ్ సిలబస్ టు జ్యోతి మ్యామ్ and she will write the timetable. That's
Attention! Standards! Attention! National anthem begin.
Janagana mana adinayaka jaya he Bharat bhagya vidata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage